distribution.
good
But
idea.
that's not the
Traveling
solution.
also
Yeah,
will be a
traveling.
problem.
And also what will happen,
No, there is no traveling at all.
No traveling also. I'll tell you what will
Tomorrow,
happen.
if they get a job, they have to travel now because all
Yeah.
the school, from the day one we are here.
But you
At
know, sir,
this point of
at
time,
this
traveling
time-
is-
No, that I can
at
understand.
this time of at this point of time, also they won't get any job. Is very rare.
Mm.
So what I'm saying was, also if you conduct it offline mode, what will happen? Few students are in home quarantine.
Mm.
Their parents or their relatives positive.
Mm.
They will be forced to come. Why I'm telling you?
Mm.
Because they don't want to answer next semester, and they will not tell you also that they are coming for the exam, and that will affect the full entire class, 10 people. So you should take in the decision. You should consider all this point, and you should take in the interest of the student. Because bachelor BEd they are conducting online mode. There also students are coming 100, 300 students there. Final student rate, 300 students there. They are
I will
conducting
take
online.
the decision
as
and
a
immediately send it to the
so
government and
yeah,
take the
please,
decision.
because the CM also has taken decision. We have met the CM. We had protested, and CM had taken decision. And all the
But
universities.
here the protest is not required because they are teachers.
Yeah.
That's
So that's
just-
why we are
And if they do it,
yeah.
Yes, sir,
then
that's why
I consider that they are not fit for the teachers.
No, sir.
No,
that's why
that is why this is not a
they
protest.
come.
This is not a protest.
That's what.
That's why we have come as a delegation.
Ah,
Protest, then we
that
have
is
to
okay.
do slogans
That is
and all,
okay. That is
everything.
okay.
We are not for
Yeah,
See, dialogues are always open.
Yeah, open. So that will. So we have come only with a few representatives of each
Mhm.
college, and parents are waiting outside because they are concerned.
That's
But yeah. So our request is there to please take a decision as soon as possible,
Fine.
and please conduct the exam in the interest of student in online mode.
Right.
Because that will not affect, and that will not affect the standard of education. You can just, you have to think how to evaluate the students. You can give the percentage, that percentage, and that will be safety. It will, both will be happy. Even the SCRT will be happy, and even the students' parents will be happy. The middle we have to remove it. And have to conduct the exam. This is the only regard. Because if you all are taking again decisions, then again their parents will come. Their parents are calling us because they can't come because they are also scared to come to meet me personally. That's why we had to come today. They are not ready to come alone. We told them go and meet you personally because it's your issue personally. You should take interest because they can't come. They are
We are
scared.
not
because-
that we are not aware of the fact, but
Yeah.
since the number is very small,
But that's
we
not
could
the.
have resolved the in a very this. No, it's not like that
Yeah,
also.
yes, sir. It's not
Situation. See, now the teachers are coming to the school.
Yeah, I know.
No, suppose 50 teachers are there. All are made to come to the school.
Teachers-
So they have to take care because one or the other day, I'm not against or something, but whenever there is a fact, it is a very small number, then there is no problem. No matter this, but there should not be something like online is one of the best source. That is fine,
Yeah.
but we should also understand this is you are going to become a teachers.
Yes, sir. But
That is why we are more concerned.
Yeah, but you, what you are saying, you don't think that online is a bad option. Online is not a bad option. In that online also you can evaluate in some other way and make it some tough exam. So what we are saying is a physical exam should not be there. Physical exam, that is the only question. And what you are saying, number is less, we agree. Also the BEd number is less, but that will also create problem because few students are positive or their family members are positive. So you can't take risk. And because of this situation, you can't postpone also. From last 2 months is getting postponed. And we know the fact that third wave will come in August, they are saying, and also the expert panel of state is saying they will come. So we can't create and we can't initiate third wave through this offline exam. So you should think in that way. At least this year, at least,
And
because
we can
next
also
year.
rely on this artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
All universities are relying on that, and it's conducted successfully.
So what we are saying like that. So this idea of evaluating them some different way is came from IIT. They have invented it, not government students. So what we are saying is to please follow it in the interest of students. We are as a representative, as a delegation, we are coming to meet you. Please consider this point. Otherwise, tomorrow again we have to come like this. It will happen with the parents and all. That is the only request. We don't want to come again with the parents. This is the only request.
Thank you. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
This is the request.
Yeah.
We'll click on.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for the giving time, sir. Thank you. I hope we don't meet again.
No, that question doesn't arise.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I, NSY Goa, along with the DEd student and along with the National Secretary, NSY National Secretary, Eric Shifanji, I'm at ILA to meet the director of SCRT. If you go to see, because of pandemic, दर एक सेक्शनाक त्रास जाला. दर एक बिझनस आसूं कितें आसूं And students are the important part of this society, important part of this community. So students every time the government जे neglect करीत हा. And this time also SCRT जे D.Ed students आहा तांचे एक्झामीचो डिसिजन अजून येवकूच नासलो. सो आमी तेच विचारपाक आयिल्ले डायरेक्टराक की हेंची एग्जाम तुमी केन्ना कंडक्ट करता आनी कशें कंडक्ट करता. सो आमी डायरेक्टराक मेळ्ळा आनी डायरेक्टराक सांगला दॅट एग्जाम शूड बी कंडक्टेड इन ऑनलायन मोड. Because if you go to see now, all the other exams in Goa are conducted in online mode. So, enchi exam offline mode जावंक शकना. Because हे जे students are, only 4 colleges are there in Goa of D.Ed. And all the students stays across Goa. Penne to काणकोण students रावता. So, तांकां exam दिवपाक तांकां येवपाक त्रास जातलो. Transport एक problem आहा. थोडे students जे family जे आहा ते positive आहा. So, students are in quarantine mode. So this is not right time to call the students for offline examination. So आमचो एकूच clear demand असलो the exam should be in online mode. आणि कितें आहा also as per the chief of AIIMS has said that third wave is inevitable and it will come in August. So हे जाणा आसतना director should not take decision against the student interest. So आमच्यांनी ताका request केला along with the student that decision should be the interest of students' safety. Because this is a time you should think about how to keep the students safe. You should not think about the academic standard. ह्या टायमार तुमी स्टुडंटाची सेफ्टी should be the utmost priority. आणि CMन आफ्टर प्रोटेस्टिंग CMन आमची जी मागणी असली ती एक्सेप्ट केली आणि CMन डिसिजन घेतलो टू कंडक्ट ऑल द एग्जाम इन ऑनलायन मोड फॉर युनिवर्सिटी लेवल. सो हांव प्रेसाच्या माध्यमान CMाक सांगूंक सोदता दॅट ओन्ली 2 कॅटेगरीज आर लेफ्ट. SCRT त्यांची D.Ed जे स्टुडंट्स आसा तांची एग्जाम उरला आणि डिप्लोमाचे स्टुडंट्स तांची एग्जाम उरला. सो CMाक सांगूंक सोदता हांव दॅट प्लीज तूं दोनूय डायरेक्टराक वांगडा मिटींग घे. DTच्या डायरेक्टरा वांगडा मिटींग घे आणि SCRT तेच्या डायरेक्टरा वांगडा मिटींग घे आणि बेगीचे बेगीन तो डिसिजन आहा तो काड रिगार्डींग ऑनलायन एग्जामिनेशन. आणि ही एग्जाम जी आसली एप्रिलान आसली. सो एप्रिल सोंपलो, मे सोंपलो, जून सोंपलो, आतां जुलय लागतलो. सो ऑलमोस्ट 3 to 4 months एग्जाम्स हॅज बीन पोस्टपोन्ड. So you should not drag it. Students कितले म्हणून शिकतले केन्ना पर्यंत शिकतले. So students are also in stress mode. So हांव डिमांड करता एज अ एड्युकेशन मिनिस्टर CMन बेगीचे बेगीन हे दोन्ही डायरेक्टर जे आहा DTचो डायरेक्टर आणि SCRTचो डायरेक्टर ताजे वांगडा मिटींग घेवन बेगीचे बेगीन इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ स्टुडंट सेफ्टी ऑनलायन एग्जाम डिक्लेअर करची. नाजाल्यार डिक्लेअर करिना तो आमी CMाक थोडे स्टुडंट्स मेळ्ळेले रवींद्र भवनान सॅटर्डे डिप्लोमा स्टुडंट्स मेळ्ळेले. सो CMन आश्वासन दिला की तो DTच्या डायरेक्टरान उलयता. सो आयज सोमार वी एक्सपेक्ट दॅट CM should talk in this week. समज CMन डिसिजन घेवंक ना इन this week, then next Monday along with all the D.Ed students along with diploma students we will protest at the CM residence because आनी कांय ऑप्शन ना. खूब रावले स्टुडंट्स पोस्टपोन करीत आहा एग्जाम. पोस्टपोनमेंट इज नॉट अ सोल्युशन. दे ऑल्सो वॉन्ट अ डिग्री कितले म्हणून शिकतले. सो टील सॅटर्डे वी आर वेटिंग. समज डिसिजन येना सॅटर्डे पर्यंत सोमारा CM रेजिडन्स आल्तिनून आमी प्रोटेस्ट करतले.
डायरेक्टराक सध्या कितल्या दिसाचो टायम दिला तुम्ही?
डायरेक्टराक आमच्यांनी मेळ्ळा. तो डायरेक्टरान म्हटलं आमकां तो बेगीचे बेगीन मिटींग कंडक्ट करतलो आणि डिसिजन डिक्लेअर करतलो. सो दीस वीक वी आर वेटिंग बिकॉज दीस स्टुडंट्स आर वेटिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 3 months. आनीक रावपाक पाशेंस ना भुरग्यां कडेन. सो ह्या विका पर्यंत रावतले आमी एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर CM ऑल्सो एज अ एड्युकेशन मिनिस्टर. तेणें एक स्टेप घेवंक जाय बिकॉज इफ यू गो टू सी अदर गव्हर्मेंट स्टेट एड्युकेशन मिनिस्टर तांची मिटींग जाता विथ ऑल द हेड्स. आणि गोंयान कितले आहा 4 ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी आहा. एक युनिवर्सिटी ताचो रजिस्ट्रार जालो, एक DTचो डायरेक्टर जालो, एक SCRTचो डायरेक्टर जालो. 3 जाण बॉडी आहा. सो तेणी सगळ्या वांगडा एक मिटींग घेवंक जाय आनी डिसिजन बेगीचे बेगीन घेवंक जाय. ताणें डिसिजन घेतला आफ्टर डिमांड. ताणें डिसिजन घेतला ऑफ गोवा युनिवर्सिटी. सो हे 2 उरला DT आनी SCRT. ताणें बेगीचे बेगीन घेवंक जाय आनी वी होप दॅट बाय दीस वीक डिसिजन वील कम आउट बिकॉज आमकां विश्वास आहे डायरेक्टरार आनी आमकां दिसता की CM एक दोतोर तेणे चीफ ऑफ एम्स जो आसा ताका सिरियसली घेतला आसतलें बिकॉज चीफ ऑफ एम हॅज वॉन्ट दॅट थर्ड वेव इज इनएविटेबल एंड इट वील कम इन ऑगस्ट. सो एज अ डॉक्टर म्हाका दिसता ही शूड टेक अ डिसिजन इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ स्टुडंट सेफ्टी बाय दीस वीक ऑर एल्स मंडे वी विल प्रोटेस्ट एट CM रेजिडेंस.
Actually, we have taken up the issue of not conducting the examinations online. Like the students want an online examinations, and unfortunately the authorities are continuously postponing the examination, which is going to hamper the future of the students. So we don't want to make sure that this examination is going to invite the third wave in Goa. So our demand was genuine, and we are happy that the authorities heard the issues clearly. And as the state president told, if it's not being heard, we will be forced to do more protest for the students and the future of India. And NSUI has been very active in raising the issues all over the state and the country, and the same thing is happening under the leadership of Naushad, the state president of Goa. So we hope that the issue is heard properly, and we are waiting for a good decision to come, and hope things will happen with the stand of students, and we hope that it will be resolved as soon as possible. Thank you.
एक स्टूडेंट बोल लेते हैं आप, डेढ़ स्टूडेंट आराम से बोलिए।
On behalf of the entire DH students, I would like to tell you that BEdचे exams सुद्धा online झाल्या. Okay, so I request from all the students to please take the decision in our under our interest and make the exams that is online mode.
स्पीड में